Baby, you're a queen in my eyes. Most beautiful thing I ever seen with my eyes. They only degrade you cause they ain't you, so they hate you.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Exotic ATL channel with your girl Miss Chi. Today's video, I'm going to show you a healthy alternative to mayonnaise. Let's get into it. You know, we do everything from scratch over here. But what I'm about to do now is make some avocado mayo. That's the only name for it. I don't eat any type of mayonnaise anymore, so I make avocado mayo. It's very simple. Take your avocado. Open your avocado. I've never been able to do straight lines ever. So open it up. Take the nut out. And me, I bury this. I put this in my compost because I started a garden. Okay, so you cut your avocado, get your spoon, and you just go around like so. And this stuff make your sandwich, burger, whatever taste so fucking good. I put it in my Ninja. Okay. And I scrape it all up in there. And the excess, because y'all already know, everything that I show y'all and that I do has multi-purposes to it. So whatever is left over, I put it in my hair. I try to get as much out as I can. And what's left over, I put it in my little hole that I'm making my compost with. See? So I'm going to set this to the side because I'm going to put some in my hair. And then I'm going to bury the shell and all whatever is left in there in my compost hole.
You're the best in every aspect of the word.
Okay, now once you get it all in there, the only ingredients that I use to go in here is my pink Himalayan salt and pepper. And I just basically season it to taste. If you want it to have a more sweeter taste, you can add some honey, molasses, or something like that along with your salt and pepper and just season the taste. I don't like my mayo to be sweet, so I just add salt and pepper. I'm gonna put all this pepper since it's just only a little bit in here. I'm gonna put all that in there. And see, a pinch of salt. And we're gonna blend it on up.
So can we show some love to the sisters? Let them know we love them. Put nothing above them. People, if you with me.
And it doesn't take long to blend at all. But you see, we have our avocado mayo. Oh, that's so creamy and pretty. Look how creamy that is. It's so creamy and pretty. Look at that, creamy and pretty. That is delicious. And from there, all I'm going to do is put it in a container. See how creamy that is? So much better than regular mayo. And when I tell you this shit tastes so good on a burger or hell, whatever you want to put it on, actually a sandwich. Oh my God, I love making this for my sandwiches. It is absolutely the best. Probably gonna eat that off. Yeah, let's just put it on here.
Not money, you make the world go round. No life without you around.
And I make a lot at one time, so it will last. Cause we be killing it over here. Boy, I'm telling you, we be killing it. You can either put some lime juice and cilantro in here. Talking about something so damn good. Dip you some celery or some cucumbers in this thing. Okay, that's it. So good. I can eat it plain just like that. And there you have it, avocado mayo. If you like this video, if you found this video informative in any type of way, please give me a thumbs up and share this with your friends. And please hit that subscribe button below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can catch all the videos as I'm dropping them. Much love and peace. Cheese.
Without you, none of this is possible. And your dark skin is beautiful. Don't ever underestimate yourself. Your beauty is unparalleled in this world, you feel me?